going on, YouTube? I haven't recorded a video in like a month. Honestly, just not having any motivation to do it. Today I just went for a short ride, early morning, but I guess not early enough because everyone's already out. I think things are starting to reopen. That's why everyone's already out and doing. There are already like people hiking, riding their bikes. Some parking lots for parks are already open. So just riding and like kind of a mental meditation kind of thing. Like I like it like this, and it's like just quiet, just early morning, just riding, not thinking about anything. I don't even know why I'm talking to the camera. I don't really have a topic in mind. I'm just kind of turn the camera on and share the view with you guys here. That's kind of it, really. It's just good vibes right now, just sunny day, not too hot in June, and yeah, we're just enjoying the scenery and just enjoying the ride. 1250 GSA, awesome motorcycle. Yeah, everyone's out. See that? Like everyone's riding, enjoying the weather, man. I've been meaning to upgrade my GoPro. I never got to it. I need to upgrade my communicator because I'm still using the G9X Cardo. I want to upgrade that to the new one, and I just want to upgrade all my equipment. I want to upgrade my GoPro from the 4. This is the 4 right now that I'm using. I want to upgrade to the 8. So I'm lagging on everything, man. I'm also thinking about getting another bike, which I shouldn't be doing. Still trying to save up, but I really want that Panigale V4, man. Not the Street Fighter, but the V4, the V4S or the V4. I'm thinking I'll get the basic V4 and modify it, suspension and all that, or I'll get the V4S. But I'm also thinking about the S1000RR, the one I test rode at the track with California Superbike School and BMW. Nice, dude. Love that 997 GT3 RS. Yeah, I'm thinking about the BMW. I'm thinking about the S1000RR. It's an awesome bike for the money, and the V4S is just super expensive, to buy. It's around 30-some thousand out the door for that. So, do I want to pay an extra 10,000 on top of over the S1000RR for the prestige of having a Ducati again? It's just I don't know. It would be a nice matching pair for the Ferrari, I guess, to have a Panigale too. But I appreciate both. The BMW doesn't look as good as the Panigale for sure. That's subjective, but like 9 times out of 10, people would pick the Panigale as the more beautiful bike. But S1000RR functionality, features wise, is unmatched, man. Like, how are you gonna get all the features with carbon fiber wheels and all that power for just 23,000 bucks? I mean, that's insane. It's almost crazy to think, like, how can you say no to that? But the appeal of the Panigale is just so good right now that it's just like, I mean, I really like how it looks. They changed a few things for the 2020 Panigale model. So they added the shark fins on the gills on the side. They added winglets as a default for the bike. I don't know. I'm rambling. I can't decide on what I really want, That's why I haven't pulled the trigger on any of them yet. Good thing I didn't, because when I test rode the S1000RR, the 2020, they were about to upgrade. I didn't know that they were about to upgrade the Panigale to something, update it a little bit more in 2020. So okay, good thing I didn't pull the trigger on any of them. So Maybe they'll make a change for the S1000. Maybe, maybe not. I doubt it. I think they would just offer more colors. The colors right now, besides the HP colors, the HP colors looks a little the S1000 I had, it seems like the color and the design seems a little bit more higher quality. I don't know how to say that. Higher quality. It looks like it's a better paint scheme. The 2020, it just looks like it's like stickers, you know. It's like stickers. It doesn't look premium. It doesn't look premium to me compared to, you know, the previous model. It's just kind of weird. So you can choose either the red one, the silver one, and that's it really. There's no other colors. Yeah. Well, I'm on my way home, so I'm just rambling. There's just thoughts in my mind. Yeah, everything's good, you know, like so far everything's good. It's just, you know, still working, still have a job, which is nice to say that, you know, I'm still thinking about bikes to buy because I still have a job. It's nice to say that. Not a lot of people are, you know, in the same situation. So I'm looking to just do more. Actually, right now with this reopening of everything, damn, look how nice that is. I wish I could show you. I can't really fully look and ride at the same time. But I'm thinking about just doing a lot of camping trips for now, you know, just kind of like just trying to get away from all the negativities happening right now. Just doing a lot of camping trips with the you know, the Rover, maybe on a motorcycle too, but I kind of want to do more car camping because I sleep in the car. It's much more convenient than setting up tents, because me and my friend, when we look for campsites, we stay out until like late night, and to set up a campsite, it's just too cumbersome, kind of, you know. I feel like I just want to crawl into my car and sleep, you know. So I also want to do that, you know. Someday I would want to have an overland rig. That's like a whole like project, hobby unto itself. It's just I don't think I'll ever have the, yeah, look at that, the summer, June, nice weather. It's like mild. It's super mild. Like it's not even hot. It's not even hot. It's like windy, chill weather. Like it's crazy. It's weird in June. Yeah, so just a lot of things. A lot of random things on my mind right now, but I'm thinking about the Panigale and S1000R at the moment. I don't know if I want to keep my Super Duke, because I can only keep a certain amount of vehicles in the house. Two of them are already outside in the shed, so that's what I'm dealing with. First world problems. Love this turn. This on-ramp is amazing. Just perfect. A perfect angle. GS can handle it. Alright guys, I don't want to keep it too long. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like around here, around my area. It is looking really nice today. It's a nice ride. Nice riding day, nice riding weather. So I guess I'll leave you guys with the choice. If you guys are choosing between the S1000R or the Panigale, which one would you pick? You know, with the updates of the 2020 Panigale V4 and whatever the S1000R is right now. I don't even know if I could get the S1000R right now. I don't even know if the production or the stock is readily available, but just, you know, between the two, which one would you pick? Alright you guys, I'll see you guys on the next video.